Rust can be a real problem. It cuts short the life of your costly equipment investments. Gemplers Rust Converter solves your rust problem and extends equipment life so you get more bang for your buck. It may not look like it, but there's still a lot of life in this wheelbarrow with help from Gemplers Rust Converter. Use a wire brush to remove loose rust and dirt from the surface. Pour some Rust Converter into a container. You don't need a lot. Gemplers Rust Converter is available in various quantities depending on how much work you need to do. Brush on Rust Converter. Allow it to dry for 20 to 60 minutes, then apply a second coat. Rust Converter needs about 48 hours to cure, turning rust into an inert black paintable surface. You can then paint the surface with an oil-based paint. This wheelbarrow looks as good as new and is protected from further rusting. There's really no limit to what Gemplers Rust Converter can do to breathe new life into your equipment. Share your Rust Converter makeover story. Email us at customerservice@gemplers.com.